Hello everyone, how are you? Today we are going to celebrate our National Technology Day. On this occasion, I will show you a PPT. Okay. India celebrates National Technology Day on May 11, highlighting the country's amazing progress in technology. This day marks when India joined the group of nations with nuclear capabilities, achieved the first flight of its own aircraft, and successfully tested the Trishul missile. Now, what is the background of our National Technology Day? It was on 11th May 1998 that India had a grateful accomplishment of successfully conducting nuclear missile tests at Indian Army's Pokhran range. It's after this 1998 monument event that our former Prime Minister of India, late Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, declared India as a full nuclear country. Since in 1999, 11th May is being observed as National Technology Day with an aim to commemorate the achievement of scientists, researchers, engineers, and all others involved in the field of science and technology. Now, in 2024, the theme of National Technology Day forward schools to startups, igniting young minds to innovate. It is remarkable initiative aimed at inspiring and motivating the young generation to take an interest in technology. And basically, in the 11th May 2024, the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar shall be announced on National Technology Day. Okay, so in the 11th May, the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar announce हो. ओके, तो व्हाट विल इन द राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान पुरस्कार जो नेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी डे पे हम इन्वॉल्व करेंगे, उसके अंदर जो पुरस्कार शैल बी गिवन इन द फॉलोइंग 13 डोमेन्स. इन 30 डोमेन्स में वो दिया जाएगा, नेमली फिजिक्स, chemistry, biology, science, mathematics and computer science, earth science, medicine, engineering science, agriculture science, environmental science, technology and innovation, atomic energy, space science and technology and others. So these are the 13 fields. ये 13 डोमेन्स है जिसके अंदर राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान पुरस्कार दिया जाएगा 11th May 2024. Okay, now this is the first Vigyan Shri Puraskar. This is the first Vigyan Shri Award. Maximum of 25 awards to be given to recognize the distinguished contribution in given field of science and technology. The first is Vigyan Shri Award. Now, the second is Vigyan Yuva Award. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar awarded. This is also known as the Vigyan Yuva Award. This is also known as the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award. Maximum of 25 awards to be given to recognize and encourage young scientists who made an exceptional contribution in given field of science and technology. Okay. Now, third is Vigyan Ratna Award. Okay. So now in the Vigyan Ratna Award, maximum of 3 awards to be bestowed to recognize lifetime achievement and contribution made in given field of science and technology. Now, the fourth award is Vigyan Team PT Award. Maximum of 3 awards may be awarded to a team comprising of 3 or more scientists, researchers, innovators who have made an exceptional contribution working in a team in given field of science and technology. Now, there are some significance of science National Technology Day. So what is the significance of National Technology Day? The first is symbol of progress. So this day show the amazing things technology can do, inspiring more innovation. Okay. Now the second significance of the National Technology Day, big day in India's history. This is a big day of India's history. This day is a very important part of India's history, celebrating achievement and pointing towards an even better future. Okay. Now, the third significance, encouraging research. Okay. So this is the third significance of National Technology Day. Success stories like these push for more growth in science, research, engineers, engineering and technology. So these are the three basic significance of National Technology Day. Now, basically, what is the conclusion of National Technology Day? The National Technology Day in India is not just a party, it is a way of recognizing and celebrating the country's progress in technology. It shows the world how innovation can transform lives, making India's shining example each year on May 11th of May. Okay. Now, thinking is the capital. Thinking is the capital. Enterprises is the way. Enterprise is the way. Hard work is the solution. Hard work is the solution. This is a thing by the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So what is the thinking is the capital, enterprises is the way, and hard work is the solution. It is given by APJ Abdul Kalam. Now, so on this National Technology Day, let's all remember the hard work of our forefathers and must do everything, make them nation and them feel proud. So, Jai Hind and thank you. Happy National Technology Day.